What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm finally starting the PHP series that I've been promising you. And we're gonna start with something like really basic with the variables, with the if-else statements, but we are gonna progress to things like how to connect to a database, how to send emails, all these things in this kind of project. So if you want to learn PHP, don't forget to follow this series because it's really gonna help you, understand. PHP is not hard at all, and you will see that if you already know JavaScript, for example, a little bit, this is gonna be really easy. But before we start, let me give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, ThelmsonPy.com, of course. Guys, this is my website where I'm gonna be putting all my courses. I only have 3 in here at the moment, but I will be putting much more. And you can basically look, I have this one, build your first website, guiding you from scratch how to build a website, responsive, CSS animations, image slider with JavaScript, another great project if you want to add to your portfolio website. And you can just like buy them individually, or you can sign up for a membership here at the top for $14, something like that, and you get access to all the courses. And you can cancel, of course, at any time. So that's it, guys. Let's get started with our PHP tutorial now. So first thing that you need to do in order to see your code on the browser is downloading XAAMP. This is a software that will allow you to see your PHP files in here, your PHP code in here on the browser, because PHP is like a server-side language, a backend language. So it's not like your regular HTML that you just click on it and you can preview it on the browser. You need this kind of software. There are some other ones like WAMP, MAMP or whatever. They are all like this. But this is the one that we are going to be using. So download this one, okay? And once you download it, let me show you in here. There is going to be a file, a folder called XAAMP, wherever you install it. You go inside of this XAAMP. And then look, there is 3 icons in here at the top, at the bottom, saying XAAMP start, XAAMP stop, and XAAMP control. I want you to go in here into the XAAMP control, and this is gonna open you this control panel in here. I want you to start this Apache and this MySQL. You will need these 2 for this project, okay? And you just like start them, and after you can just like minimize this. So let's go in here into our Visual Studio Code, start our first file. So I'm going here, new file, save as. You need to, if I forgot to mention, you need to save all your files inside of this folder in here, where inside of XAAMP, the folder. You go inside of htdocs, specifically needs to be inside of this folder, guys, okay? If you don't put it in here, if you put it on your documents, on your desktop, it's not gonna work. It needs to be in here in these htdocs. You go in here and then you create a folder with whatever name you want. I have this one in here called PHP Project. I put this name, okay? And now I'm gonna put in here my index.php. This is gonna be our first file. So I'm going to start in here a blank HTML, okay? And then I'm going to put in here, oops, let me just undo this. I'm just going to put in here h1. And then I'm going to say, hello, my name is Telmo, okay? So let's see if we can preview this on the browser. So you go in here to the browser, you open a new tab, you put localhost, okay, and then / the name of your folder that you created. Mine was PHP Project, okay? And look, hello, my name is Telmo. It's in here on the browser. Let me just do a bit of zoom so you guys can see. Right, let's start writing some PHP. First of all, let's learn a bit about variables, okay? So to write PHP, you need to put this opening tag, and then this is the closing tag. Whatever goes inside of this is treated as PHP. In PHP, to start a variable, you just have to put $sign and after whatever name you want. It's not like in JavaScript that you need to put var something or let or const something. In here you just put $, and then whatever name you want for the name of your variable. So look, I'm gonna put in here, I'm actually just gonna put, for example, surname, and the surname is gonna be Sampaio, okay? And I'm gonna go in here now to put this variable that I just created in here inside of my HTML. I need to open again PHP, okay? Inside, I'm gonna put this command called echo, and this echo is just saying like print this on the page, okay? This is what the echo means, print whatever comes after on the page. And what do I want to print? Surname, okay? Surname, okay? And then you need to close your PHP tag, okay? So we got opening PHP echo surname and then closing, all right? Let's save this, refresh, and look. Hello, my name is Telmo Sampaio. Right, now let's learn a bit how to concatenate variables. Concatenate is like joining them, like with strings and variables. Let's say that I'm gonna put in here name equals to John, and then surname is gonna be John Locke, like this guy from Lost. Was one of my favorite characters of the series. I don't know if you guys watched, but yeah. Right, let's go in here, get rid of the name Telmo. Hello, my name is, and then I have in here PHP echo, and then I'm gonna put now name, and then I'm gonna put dot. This dot is like in JavaScript the plus, you know, to concatenate variables with other strings. So I'm gonna put this dot to join, and then I want to join with a space. Look, that's why I put this empty string in here. And then I need to put another dot to connect with this surname that we have in here. All right, let's save this. I'm gonna refresh and look. Hello, my name is John Locke. And finally, I'm just gonna show you another thing. Look in here at the top, we have document on the title of our project. And look, it is in here, document, okay, in this title. I'm just gonna put in here something like this, title. And the title is gonna be PHP Project. Look, this is just for us to practice, okay? Same thing, opening the PHP tag, inside putting echo, and now I'm gonna put the name of the variable, title, okay? Just closing, don't forget to close, okay? Open, close, and in the middle you put whatever you want. All right, let's refresh and look, now in here at the top it says PHP Project. All right guys, so I think that's it for this video. Now you understand a little bit better that you need to install this software in here in order for you to preview your code, your PHP code in here on the browser. You know how to start. I'm putting this in here at the top because it's like a standard to, before your HTML code, putting your PHP code for variables or other things before your HTML, and then when you want to inject like some of this code into your HTML, it's already there in here. It's already in here, so you can just like inject it wherever you want on the page. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. PHP is still in great demand for a lot of companies, for a lot of people who are freelancing as well. So this can open a lot of doors for you. So I hope you are excited for this kind of project that I'm going to be building. And yeah, if you enjoy this series, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if this is your first video, and I'll see you in the next video.